Subliminal TV.
Today, I'm gonna do some roller shots with the Bentley on the chrome wheels because the wheel holder that I am, I have different sets of wheels. My brother Todd here want to get out of the picture, so I want to get him in there anyway. Look at him. He's running from the camera. I'm gonna put him in. But anyway, because I'm a wheel whore, and I have all these different sets of wheels for this car, we're gonna get these different looks. But like I said, I know I'm gonna stick with the HRA wheels at the end of the day. I just like seeing how the different wheels look on cars. It's just how I am. I am a wheel whore. These wheels, I've told you guys, came from my S550, which I'm gonna swap out for an S580 at some point, or at least the S63, I'm not sure. And these gonna go to that car at that point. But the black set of wheels are gonna go on this car. Look how beautiful it's gonna be with those black grills. And I'm also thinking about wrapping this car, as well as the Ferrari. That's something we'll talk about soon. It look good on you, bro. I ain't lying.
I like it.
But we gonna go in front of you.
Yeah.
Where did this car go? Wait a minute. He stopped. I love getting these generic, typical, low angle rolling shots. But on top of that, you know what else I like to do? Take my phone out with my phone gimbal and get the BTS behind the scenes shots so I can post it on social media and all other platforms, and so you guys can see it in action. So let's check out a few shots and see what all we've got. So that's it, guys. Because I have so many sets of wheels for this car and I like to see how it looks with each set, I'm going to shoot it with each set, and you guys get to also see how it looks. And if you want to see how this car looked before, during the process of the build, the wheels that I just took off of it, you can check out this video. Again, I appreciate you guys as always. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Subliminal TV.
Slow motion shots. Let me get the I need the other battery for my monitor. Hold on.
All right.
How much time we got?
No, you're good. You know there's plastic here, so just...
So what about it? So when I stand up on it?
Yeah, don't stand on it. I mean, it's strong, but it's not that strong. Not that.
Hold on, Todd. It's fine.
It takes about 30 seconds to boot up. Just boot up. And then what it does, it's automatically GPSing where you are, so it returns to home automatically.
Yeah, they all, well, not all, but the
'cause you used to have
DJIs do that. I don't know about the rest.
Remember, we had to do that thing where we let them know this is where our access is in the beginning on the first Mavericks.
Oh yeah, that's way back. As long as I've had them, it's been every time you take off. Every time you take off, it says home point updated.
Okay.
It won't go up past a certain height.
Until it did it. Yep.
Oh, and I got mine got caught in the garage last night. It got stuck.
How you get it down?
I put my ladder on top of this and then got it